How to switch between Google Assistant and Gemini on Android. This tutorial shows you how to change your default digital assistant on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Google. Following that, tap on All Services at the top. Now, scroll down and find Google Assistant. Moving forward, tap on Google Assistant. Tap on Search, Assistant, and Voice, then tap on Google Assistant again. Afterwards, look for Digital Assistants from Google. Tap on Digital Assistants from Google. You'll see both Google Assistant and Gemini listed here. To switch to Gemini, simply tap on Gemini. A prompt will appear explaining the switch. Tap on Switch or Confirm to complete the change. Alternatively, if you want to go back to Google Assistant, follow the same steps. Navigate back to Digital Assistants from Google and select Google Assistant instead. Your default assistant is now changed and ready to use. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you switch between Google Assistant and Gemini on Android, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.